Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys vivo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to turn off notification ringtone on vivo mobile. Friends, you don't want to use fancy notification ringtone sounds, and how to turn off notification ringtone sound in this video friends we will talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting to set, sorry friends, off notification ringtone. After on phone setting friends, how to turn off notification ringtone sound. So friends, you will have to click on guys video phone sound and vibration setting. After on sound and vibration friends, scroll it. Friends, you want to set your phone ringtone, and friends you want to change your vivo phone ringtone. So friends, you can set, and friends you can change from here guys. Select ringtone, your ringtone will change. So friends, we will click on notification ringtone. After notification ringtone friends, you can see custom ringtone friends, you can set custom ringtone friends, you can set your custom or system ringtone from here guys. Which ringtone do you like guys? Select, ringtone will change. So friends, you can see here mute option friends, click on mute. After mute friends, you cannot use your notification ringtone friends. You can see we don't have any notification ringtone sound on our vivo mobile. Friends, you want to use friends, again friends you will have to select guys you can select guys your custom ringtone from here, and you can select friends your system ringtone from here guys. Which ringtone guys do you like guys? Select, and friends now you can use your notification ringtone. So friends, you don't want to use, click on mute option guys, ringtone will off, and friends we cannot use guys notification ringtone sound on our vivo phone device. So like that friends, you can turn off your notification ringtone sound on your vivo mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt guys related to guys your sound and vibration setting? So friends, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching.